Just like in parts, you can change display styles within drawings. For example, if I click on the front view, I can come into the Drawing Property Manager and change how these views are displayed. In this case, I'll make this shaded with edges. And by default, these are going to be set to using the parent style. But you can come in and change that display as well. There's also a few ways to change the way that tangent edges are displayed, as well as hidden lines. For example, here we can show all of the hidden lines. If we want to just show a few instead, I can right click and go into the properties, go to the show hidden edges. I'll come into the feature tree in the drawing view 2, and then I can select out a few features. For example, the tapped hole, the sketch pattern, as well as the mirror for that pattern. And I can show just those holes in the hidden lines visible display style. There's also an option to hide or show bodies if you have multiple bodies within the part. And I can control how tangent edges are displayed by right-clicking on the view, coming into Tangent Edge, and I can choose to remove the tangent edges. You'll notice that the fillet edge is gone. If I change this to tangent edges with font, it's going to put in gray dashed lines. And the default option of tangent edges visible will just make those edges solid. So that's how you change display styles in a drawing, as well as changing the hidden line and tangent line visibility.